In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most out of Udemy, a popular online learning platform. Whether you're looking to expand your knowledge, pick up a new hobby, or boost your career skills, Udemy has something for everyone. So let's dive right in and get started with finding the perfect course for you. First, we'll begin by opening your preferred internet browser and going to the Udemy homepage. Simply type Udemy into your search engine, and it should be one of the top results. Click on the link to head straight to their website. Once you're there, you'll notice a user-friendly interface that invites you to explore an extensive variety of courses across countless subjects. From technology to yoga, Udemy covers a wide range of interests, and your learning adventure begins here. Now let's find a course that piques your interest. At the top of the homepage, you'll find a search bar. It's prominently displayed to ensure that as soon as you know what you're looking for, you can start searching right away. What course are you interested in today? Do you want to develop your coding skills, or perhaps learn a new language? Type in your desired course topic and let Udemy's search function do the rest. As you type, you'll notice suggestions popping up, which can help refine your search. Once you've entered your search terms, hit enter and watch as Udemy brings up a comprehensive list of courses that match your query. Each course will be accompanied by a title, an instructor's name, ratings, and the number of students enrolled. You'll also see price tags indicating whether the course is free to take or requires payment. This is a great time to note that there are both free and paid courses available on Udemy, offering quality learning experiences regardless of your budget. As you explore the options presented, take advantage of filters available on the left-hand side of your screen. You can narrow down your choices by specifying course features such as duration, difficulty level, language, and more. This helps you tailor your search results to better fit your personal learning preferences and requirements. When you come across a course that captures your interest, go ahead and click on it for more detailed information. You'll find a course description, curricula details, instructor bios, and student reviews. These are incredibly helpful in determining whether the course aligns with your learning goals and expectations. Don't forget to check out the preview videos if available. They offer a sneak peek into what the course content and teaching style will be like. By following these simple steps, you'll be well equipped to navigate Udemy and find a course that suits your interests and goals. With your new skills and knowledge at your fingertips, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you're excited to embark on your Udemy learning journey.